In today's video, we're going to be learning how to fix the weaving machine bells. So if this is what you're interested to learn how to do, please stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay? Thank you. So actually, the weaving machine original belt had gotten loose and I have to fix it. So look at the knots that I'm actually losing now. Okay? You can see the knot I'm losing, and this is the new belt that I bought, okay? That I got now to change the belt that was originally there. So I'm losing this knot now. So carefully lose the knots as well. There are two knots, one up, one down. Okay, I would advise that you lose the knot, the one up, lose it carefully. I was actually tightening it first before I realized that I was tightening it, so I'm just losing it now. So please, losing takes you can see the backward movement. This is the backward movement means that I'm losing it. Okay, so when it gets loose, okay, I'm going to shift the direction of it. Just watch me as I do this. There is no hard thing in this particular video. Okay, so I'm going to bring this closer so it's clearer for you to see. Now I'm going to move this knot. You're going to see how flexible the knot is. Once you have loosened this part, now you can move this knot left and right just like this. Okay, so when you have pushed it closer, okay, you can now put in this belt this way. And don't forget that I only loosened the upper knot. I didn't loosen the lower knot. Okay, so you can see the way I placed it. I went and put it on top of the end. I don't know if you go back and watch this again. I put it on top of the end before I shifted it down. This makes it very easy for you to insert. Okay, very easy. So please, if you didn't get it, please watch it again so that you can get it. And while I'm at this, if you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please kindly go ahead and subscribe now. Turn on your notifications so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so fixing a weaving machine belt is so easy to do, and you can see how easily it was fixed. I'm going to quickly do this tighten the knot back, because it's important that you don't move this weaving machine if you don't tighten the knot back. Okay, so kindly ensure that you tighten it very firmly. Okay, and also check the lower knot to ensure that the lower knot is also firmly tightened. Okay, when you have tightened it, you can see that the knot will not be able to move whether left or right. Okay, that's your test check. So if the knot is not able to move left or right, that is firm at one point, you know that you have safely tightened your the knot. Okay, so that's screw. So that's very easy to do, and you can see how easily I fixed this belt. Please kindly go back and check how to fix this belt. If you didn't get it, just watch it on slow motion. If you need to reverse it, go ahead and reverse it and watch it several times so that you don't make mistake when fixing your weaving machine belt. And this is applicable. You can see the type of weaving machine, and this is the particular weaving machine I'm talking about. So it is very easy to do. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.